Hello, welcome everyone. TGIF. Finally we made it to the next Friday. But before we can celebrate the weekend, as usual we have some stuff to do. Of course I didn't have much time to push anything off stream. I was trying to fix microphones for the stream, but it didn't quite work out. So I am short of one scene, but anyways we can do it like that, no issue. So today we're gonna continue our endeavor into making firmware for Chordie. So far we know that all of the keys are connected. We managed to get an output from all of the keys except for the infrared. So today I would like to start with checking the infrared. As you can see, I have my oscilloscope with me. So we're gonna try to read anything out of it. Should be easy, I guess. All we need to do is connect ground somewhere, anywhere. And then from the pin B5, if I remember correctly, I need to check that, but I think infrared was B5. Then we should be able to get some kind of an output when we block the infrared. Before we have to still check the potentiometer, like to make it to the lowest resistance, so then we'll have maximum output from the infrared. So we're gonna check left and right side, see if it works, and then we can move on to building the firmware. I think I have a vague understanding how to proceed with the JSON file. We see how it goes. Yeah, but first let's jump into the infrared. I don't know if it works, if it doesn't work. So yeah, let's start with the multimeter and let's check what is the resistance over here. We want it to be 0 and can be 1K or can be 0, anything in between. And my understanding is that if I take it like that, okay, and does it have any markings? Okay, I hope if I turn it all the way counterclockwise, it should be 0. Something we need to check first. Right. Okay, looks like it's just like 2 point something. Let's see if I rotate all the way to the right. Is it gonna be 1K? Yes, it's almost 1K. Okay, so if I turn it like this, this should be close to 0. Okay, so let's try connecting all this stuff. Okay, the issue now is that I should be able to have it somehow. Best would be to be able to keep it like this, so I am not pushing any key. Okay, maybe first let's try to connect any ground. So this should be ground. And we have a ground somewhere close. How about this one? Okay. I have to open like a different web page for it, so it won't be sending any keys to OBS, for example. Kind of tricky to do this kind of stuff live. Okay. Let's see what happens now. We do have some voltage. It doesn't seem like it's going down. Okay, I need to check how was it connected if we haven't made a mistake, for example. Before that, let's do a quick refresh on the schematic. Yes, I was right. So our diode is B5 on both ends. And as I said, this is 10K resistor, is it? Let's check it out. Yeah, that is 10K. So now this should be VCC. Okay, so this one is VCC. Okay, and this is B5. Okay, so it looks like we have a good connection. Sadly, I can't really reach over here. Okay, this one should be collector, so... Okay, so collector is connected, that is perfectly fine. I can't reach the ground. Okay, and this one is anode, so this should be... This should be connected to the resistor. Okay, looks like it's not. Or maybe I am not really... Maybe I can't really reach over there. No, clearly it looks like there is no connection through here. Okay, so maybe that's why we have no output from infrared, because we have it pulled up, so that's why we have like 5 volts over here. But since there is no receiver, I mean there is no signal from the diode is at the bottom, so maybe that's why we have there's no signal to pull it down. Okay, let's take a look. This should be VCC. Okay, so that is okay. Let's take a look from here to the VCC, should be like 60 ohms. Yeah, okay, so that is fine. And do we have 60 ohm through here? Okay, it looks like there is no connection. Should have made those legs a little bit longer, so I could at least troubleshoot now. Okay, let's hope that ground is okay, at least over here. Maybe I should try to resolder. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, now I think I melted all the way to the switch. Let's see what happens now. Looks like I have longer probes over here. Maybe I should give this a try. Might be easier to reach. Let's see if it changes anything for us. No, not really. And that is odd. Looks like, well, definitely it has to be ground at least over here, because we do have 5 volts. So it wouldn't work without it, but if I try to do it like this, I get no reading. Okay, so we know that collector is connected over here, so it kind of checks out because we do have signal from the collector, so we do have 5 volts. Why is there no voltage over here? No connection? Well, this should work. Okay, this is kind of odd. Okay, I think I have to fix this diode. I don't know what is wrong with it, but I think we have to remove it and put it back in again. Maybe those wires, they didn't really connect. It should be okay. If it's not connecting right now, then I think we have to remove it. Okay, finally, it worked. Well, I still don't know about the ground on this side. I can't really reach it. Yeah, that was a mistake. I should have made those longer, because the bottom plate also has a cutout over here, so we can easily make it stick out. Those legs can easily stick out from the keyboard, so that will allow for like easier diagnostics later, just like I'm trying to do now. Yeah, so that wasn't a good idea. Okay, I have I have anode connected right now, so there should be voltage coming in. I think we can check that if we connect the keyboard, we might be able to see the glow on the camera. If it works. It doesn't seem like it works. Okay, I'm gonna try with the oscilloscope. Okay, seems like it works. Now if I put my finger on it, it goes to 0. Okay, let's try like this. You know, now nothing happens. Yeah, that is a little bit odd, because now I'm reading 4.6 volts on the diode. It shouldn't be like that. Let's check the other half. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one should be at 0 already. Oh no, 1K. So we have to go. How about now? Okay, 4 ohms. Alright, let's see what happens now. This one might be tricky. Okay, let's see. B5. Now that is odd. Now this one is kind of very low. Okay, why is it just 3.4? Yeah, I think I got the VCC from 3.3 output. And that is not a problem. Yeah, but at the same time, it's kind of weird that we had like... I see there's a mess. Okay, let's check the voltage. Okay, 4 point something, so that is okay. So why are we getting just 3 volts over here? Although, okay, this might be okay. Okay, so we have connection over here. This should be VCC. Okay, so that is VCC, that is okay. Okay, so now over here, what do we have? At the bottom we have the diode. Okay, so it's connecting to here. And this one should be connecting to here. Okay, so that is alright. It's kind of odd that it's so low. Like on the left half, we had a full VCC on the collector, and over here we have almost nothing. Yeah, well, at least this is correct. It's like 1.2 volts for the diode. I don't know why there was 5 volts, 4.6 on the left side. That doesn't really make sense. It's the same connection. Okay, so this one also doesn't seem to be reacting at all. Okay, let's make it a little bit more. Okay, now it's working. So if I put my finger on, it's pulling it to the ground. If I remove it, okay. So this side works okay. And what are the voltages? So over here we have like 1.2. Yeah, so that is okay. This one works fine. I don't understand what is happening on the left side. Okay, now VCC just disconnected. I kind of expected when I'm moving it like that. Okay, it's not VCC, it's the... looks like it's I2C. Yep. So far, no good news. Well, at least we know that the left side is kind of working. There was some output from the infrared, so later on we can check it on the matrix if there's anything happening. But what is interesting is the left side. This is right, this is left. Like all those voltages are kind of weird. Like it shouldn't be for like full VCC on here. Doesn't really make sense since we have a resistor over here, so it should be limiting. It should be 1.2 just like on the other side, and it's the same. Both sides are connected the same way, so that is very odd. Yeah, so nothing is happening. Okay, looks like now we have more or less proper voltage. It's 1.6 over here. It makes me wonder if you didn't destroy the diode. Okay, does it work or doesn't work? Yeah, as I said, I was supposed to put like the red one over here, and now I don't know which one is output and which one is okay, this one should be collector. Okay, this is pull up. Why is it so low? 1.4? Doesn't make sense at all. Oh, that is odd. VCC is 1.4. How is this possible? Did I just fry the diode? No, I can't reach it like that. Okay, I'm gonna replace it. Let's do a quick check. What should be the value for it? Let's check the specs. Okay, forward current 160 milliamperes. Let's take a look. So let's say we have 4.6 plus 60. Okay, forward current 60. What is the forward voltage for it? Okay, typical 125. Okay, so resistor should be 55. That should be okay. I think we have 68. Oh, that is very odd. Okay, there's nothing else we can do but try to replace it. See what happens. Maybe I can test it right now. Oh, looks like it's okay. .2 and reverse. Okay. Let's see what happens now with the voltage on this side. How come it's 2.5 volts? That doesn't really make sense. How is the voltage? 2 point something? I don't know. Somehow we have 3.6 volts. I don't understand anything. What is happening here? Yet somehow on the diode we had 4.6. Okay, let's swap this diode. Just to be sure, I am connecting the right pieces. Okay, so looking at it right like this, so this is VCC and this is ground. Okay, like this, it's much more gentle cut. Okay, there is still a difference. Which one is what? It's a pity I forgot to extend the canal for this one. That would have been much easier if there was more space. Okay, so seems like this should be VCC over here and this one should be ground. Looks easy. See what happens. Okay, managed to get it through. Would be nice to have one more loop at least. Okay, finally got it. Okay, so that is one, and now we need to take care of the ground. That is old one. I can remove it to my surprise. Okay, what happens now? Okay, so we have 60 ohms over here. Okay, 580 in total. Okay, it looks like we have a better reading right now. Let's take a look maybe from here. Okay, now it works. As you can see, if I put my finger on it, as long as I am, yeah, okay. Alright, so I don't know what happened with that diode, why it died. Maybe it wasn't really connected properly. Because when I did the diode test, it kind of worked. There was a proper 1.2 or 1 point something drop on it, so I think it was functioning. Why it wasn't working? Maybe there was no connection somewhere. Hard to tell at this point. But yeah, lesson learned that I need to make those legs longer, like here, so I have better access right now. Okay, so what can we do next? I think it would be best if we can just put all those back, the bottom plates, so it's not messed up. Okay, one screw is enough. And over here, it looks like everything is okay. Yeah, I have to remember to extend this part. Because it seems like it's causing disconnection on the plug. Okay, we have some tin over here. Damn, it fell through. Okay, got it out. Okay, do we have a functioning keyboard? We can check it out by using debug output. Let's take a look. HID listen. Also makes me wonder why QMK Toolbox didn't pick it up. Maybe you can give it one more try. And see what happens. Okay, no reading from QMK. Kind of odd. Let's take a look at the HID lesson. Maybe we can have more luck. Okay. Okay, that is interesting. What is it? Read pins error right side. That is not good. Did I just break the keyboard, or have I like soldered it with USB connected in? No, I don't think so. Oh, God damn it. Okay, so looks like we have I2C working. Okay, we have voltage, we have ground. Why won't it read? That is... Can it get any worse than that? Okay, both halves are connecting, okay. Let me check if I haven't made a very bad mistake. No, it was disconnected when I was soldering. Okay, this error is kind of odd. Okay. Where is this message coming from? MCP. So it's from QMK. So it can't read the ports. That is something new. Okay, now output right now. Okay, no output. Nothing is happening. We are getting no reading from the keyboard. Okay, let's see if we can get it into flash mode. Okay, so we can flash it, no problem. It looks like it's gonna be okay, since we got the infrared working on both sides. And now we have no response from the keyboard at all. Okay, it's programmed, but still nothing is happening. Okay, that is very, very odd. Different USB. And still nothing. How is that possible? There's no output at all. But we can still get it to program. Or maybe there is output, but it's so much that it's killing the tool. It can't really keep up. Ah, yeah. What the hell is that? Yeah, looks like I2C is completely dead. Okay, lucky for me, I still have the odd Chordie, so maybe you can try with this one. So hopefully I'll be able to tell if there is any corruption on any of the sides. Let's go with the left one first. Okay, nothing is happening. Okay, so right side seems to be working okay. We do have some output. But oddly enough... Okay, so yeah. It can even read... it can even read from here, so that is okay. So right side works. What's up with the left side? Okay. Okay, so this is our left side. This one seems to be not working. And that's the one that we just did our infrared. But it seemed okay. Okay, so there is connection over here. Okay, so the jack is not the problem. So what happened? Okay, that is very interesting, and I have no idea what is wrong with it. Okay, looks like there's no VCC. Okay, that is super odd. What happened? Okay, maybe we do have a problem with VCC. Soldering doesn't look too good on it, and it seems like there is no connection. No, there is. It's okay. I don't quite like it how it looks. It's like a big blob. And the wire seems to be like on the bottom of this blob. Okay, seems like it's okay. Yeah, let's give it a shot. Finally, something happens. The infrared works on one side. Okay, this one is not really, we are only reading left. Okay, I was worried that somehow it got fried because this message that it can't really read, it's something new. It looked like I might have like killed the expander, but yeah, it works. Very odd, but it works. Okay, let's take a look over here on the source code. I would like to check if we really have all the inputs. Well, I don't know if this condition makes sense because we are still reading something. Looks like one of the expanders is one of the encoders seems to be either locked or something because we have like constant output over here. On the B, okay, left side B. Okay, let's take a look. What could it be? Yeah, so it looks like these are our encoders, B1, B2, B3, and B4. Okay, I wonder if the same gonna happen on the right side. So this is right side A, and this is right side B. Very primitive, but what can you do? Okay, compiled, no issues. Something new. Okay, maybe I should put the bottoms first. This might make more sense. Unless it breaks when I put the bottom lid on. That would be very cool. Okay, so far so good. All the wires are in place. Okay, let's see what happens now. Okay, this magnetic stuff is kind of getting me. It's getting on my nerves. I mean, the issue is on my side, so it's not really properly sitting there. Okay, maybe I could take another soldering iron and just make the hole a little bit bigger. What a pain. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I have a soldering iron for this kind of tasks. Still heating up. Okay. Let's see how it fits now. Not too great. Okay. Okay. That's a nasty hole. Oh, come on, work. Just now it was working. Finally. Definitely this part needs to be redesigned. Okay, something is happening. Okay, so right infrared is present. You can see there is 1 bit flipping. And let's check the other side. Yeah, also works. Okay, it looks like we have all the keys. Okay, I guess it's a small progress, but still something. At least we know there is every key is working on it. Okay, I think I will still extend this hole a little bit more, although I don't think I have much room. Otherwise, I'm gonna mess up the whole keyboard. Alright, so yet another episode, not much progress. I was hoping we can reach the programming stage today, but still not so much. But at least we have every key, every infrared working on this keyboard. So at least we know that every input is working okay. So next stream will be exceptionally on Wednesday. On Monday I'm leaving my cave. So I catch you all on Wednesday. Hopefully we can get to the programming stage. If I have time, maybe I will try to push a little bit off stream something. I'll see how it goes. Okay, by then, enjoy your weekend, have plenty of rest, and please come back on Wednesday. Thanks for watching, and I see you on Wednesday. Bye bye.